G'day there mates, it's me Adrian G, and today I'm going to see if I can get some girls' numbers without saying a word.
Hi. Me? Thank you.
Awesome. What was your name?
Maddie.
Maddie. I'm Adrian.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Hello. Hey. Nice to meet you. Bye.
Wait. Awesome. We're like filming a video, seeing if you can get numbers without talking. What was your name?
Jasmine.
Nice to meet you, Jasmine. I'm Adrian. What were you thinking?
I was just like, oh,
this little cutie.
Yeah.
Yeah, my friend's just here. It was Jasmine.
Yeah.
Awesome. How do I save? Oh yeah. What are you up to?
Just going to get lunch with my parents. It's my birthday. Sorry?
Thanks. What was your name?
Jess.
Jess. Awesome. I'm Adrian.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Cool.
I'm gonna get back to studying.
Alright, get back to
I can't talk unless I get your number. Well, you're gonna have a very quiet day then, aren't you?
Guys, thank you again so much. Just watch the trains behind you. Keep it really careful, yeah. We are Rumba. We hope you're having a good time with us. This is track number 1.
Is that actually your number? Really? So if I call it right now.
Yeah.
Wait, let's see. Oh, it's ringing. Oh, that's awesome. Awesome. What was your name? Alright mates, thanks for watching that video. If you liked it, make sure you hit the thumbs up. We're going to try and get 1,005 likes this time, so smash that like button. And if you guys are too shy to talk to girls and try and pick them up, just go up to them, have the keypad ready and just go like that, and you don't even need to say a word. So I'll see you guys next week.
One moment, Jazz. Hi. My phone number? Why my phone number? Why?
I can find the criteria for
Do you speak English? Yes, you do? No. No. No, it's alright. I'm seeing someone, so just out of respect for them, I wouldn't want them putting their number into someone else's phone. So I'm not going to put my number
no,
into
you
someone
failed. Look,
What?
I'm filming a video. Oh, you're not seeing someone.
Yeah.
Oh, you are? Yeah,
Yeah,
actually.
yeah.
Oh, I'm filming a video called Trying to Get Girls' Numbers Without Saying Anything.
Okay.
Hey.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Man. Dude, what's happening?
Why is your left hip bigger than your right?